Hey guys, it's Skins Madden Mobile, and in this video we're going to be opening player packs. I have okay luck with player packs. I don't really pull too many elites, just a little bit. Alright, getting in the first pack. Okay. Zach Stacy. 80 offensive tackle. 74. 73. 73. Right there. Get a Rob Ninkovich 92 defend what do you call it? Defensive end. 77. 81, 77. Oh, again, another elite. That's a great pack so far. 89, Glover Quinn. 72, 73. That's still a really good pack. Take a screenshot of that. Okay, last pack. Alright, let's hit it from the back. Oh, right again. Another elite. 73. And that center goes for maybe 50k because it's a center and centers go for a lot. 75. 77. 75. 75. 79. Alright, come on. One more elite. 75. 77, 75, 83, and last one, 77. So that's it for this video. That was an amazing first pack. Thanks for watching.